Okay, so you've probably seen these AI action figures doing the rounds on social media. And well, I did one as well. So here it is. But I also did things like turn myself into a Peanuts character and a Simpsons character. I'm going to tell you how I did it. What you need is ChatGPT. Now, I downloaded it from the App Store. It's free to use, but you do have a limit if you're using the free version on how many you can do per day. So I've got that here, and I'm going to go into it now. Now, with the action figure, there is actually a set bit of text you need to add in and then fill in the blanks, and it will create it for you. And I'm going to include that in the description below. So let's go into ChatGPT and have a go. So here I am in ChatGPT. You can see that's where I had the Simpsons character. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to find a picture of me. So I'm going to go to the plus here on the side. I'm going to tap on that, go to my photos. I could use the camera as well. I'm going to search for me. So let's just type that in. There we go. And let's use this one here. And just tap on that, and you can see it's uploading the picture there. I could delete it by tapping on the little cross in the top right hand corner. Now I need the text, so what I'm going to do is just paste it in. So what I'm going to do is just make some changes here. So where it's got these little square brackets, it's got action figure name. Let's just change that to Gary. It's going to make it all capitals. The subheading that I want, let's just go there. Let's just do that as tech guy. And then list of accessories. I'm just going to put 3 in here. So let's just delete that, everything there, including the square bracket. And I'm going to put iPhone, comma, laptop, and camera. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, let's just fix that typo there. I'm now just going to upload it just by pressing on the little up arrow here. And this could take some time. So it could be that I just jump ahead. So I'm just going to time how long that took. And there you are. It's now creating the image. May take a moment. This could take a few minutes. Stay in the app and also don't switch off your phone or go into standby mode or anything like that. Keep the app open and your iPhone on. So I have sped this up. It does take a bit of time. That took 3 minutes and 15 seconds. But there you go. That's the image. If I tap on it to make it full screen, I can then save it. So there you go. So the text that it had here is to use this photo of me to create an action figure of myself in a blister pack, so on. Now, to do this, when I wanted to create one of me as a Peanuts character, I uploaded the picture and I said, turn me into a Peanuts character with Snoopy and Woodstock by my side. And that's what I got. I then did the same with The Simpsons. I had to include a color of my shirt. It prompted me for that. So I said, turn me into a Simpsons character in a blue shirt. So try out all sorts of things. You could do things like maybe Thunderbirds characters or whatever you like. Go and do it, share it. I'd love to see what you do, and I hope you found this useful and how people are doing it. So don't forget, I've got the description. In the description, I've got the text that you need to create the action figure. Go and enjoy it. Thanks for watching. If you do like this, please do like, share, and subscribe, and come back for more.